Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are going to install Apache, MySQL and PHP on Linux. These are the instructions that we are going to follow to install all these. These are the commands that we are going to use in terminal. Let's open up the terminal. Let's just start up with the Apache web server. Sudo apt get install Apache 2. This is the first command that will install the web server in local system. Okay, it's ready. Now we are going to start the Apache server. Sudo space, do add the space, okay, init.d / Apache 2 start. This will start the server. Okay, let's check if the server is started or not. We will write localhost in the browser on the address bar. You can see this, the address http:// localhost/. This will open the default page of the web server, which is placed in the local system under www folder, user under variable folder, var www folder in HTML. Okay, we will add a folder and a file, a dummy file, to check if the PHP is installed or not. Let's see. Test index.php. So this file works, but if we change it, it's a basic code I am writing to test if the PHP script or the PHP is working or not. Save, cross F5. Hello world. So it is working. The Apache web server is installed with the version of PHP from the basic version or of the PHP with the library of PHP. So to improve or to make sure that PHP we are using is the right version, we will still install the PHP 5 for ourselves. Let's open the instructions. We will install PHP 5 on the system. Okay, sudo apt get install PHP 5 live Apache 2 mode PHP 5. Has no installation candidate, so we will download our PHP for Linux from php.net. Download page. Seven point 2.8 we are going to install PHP for Linux. So this is the version we are looking for. We will download it. Austria, Canada, China. I am going to install it for okay. We are going to install the American version. Okay, save file.